Nightingale Woods, Bristol. A predominance of sycamore, ash and hazel. Amongst these, in the far distance, is a wonderful specimen of a very old tree, a European plane tree. The massive proportions of the tree show just how well suited it is to the habitat here, and how it fits in with all the other species around it. I suppose trees are somewhat like people. They like certain places, and other places they don't thrive. This one here seems to be in just the right place. Of course, like many of such trees, they become a hive of activity for youngsters, as well as all kinds of animals to live upon. Youngsters love climbing up on the boughs and the branches. You can still see the remnants of the ropes of rope swings where the children have swung round on them. In the past, people thought that somehow if they filled the inside of a cavity of a tree, that it'd strengthen it and stop the decay and perhaps prevent a fall. Actually, this is not true. It actually does more harm than good. As you see there's the infill of concrete and bricks, but let's just zoom in a little closer. You can also see a lot of fungi starting to grow on that particular area. In fact, the shoring up and the rendering up of bricks inside that kind of a tree structure actually encourages fungal growth and decay. We're just looking now on close inspection at the cavity of the tree. On close inspection at the Nightingale Woods plane tree, there's quite extensive fire damage that's been caused. Unfortunately, in lots of similar places, there are people that just have no respect for these forests. You see here a shopping cart that's probably come from somewhere like Tesco or Sainsbury's. You have old barrels over on the side there, just rolled down, tipped out. No respect. Late winter, the Nightingale Woods in Bristol.